Hey, I'm Adam with Drone Nerds, and today we're giving you a 360 tour of the venue for ElevateUAV 2026 Gulfstream Park. Since this is a 360 video, feel free to move the screen around with either your fingers on a phone or mouse on a computer. You can also pause at any time if you want a better look around. Alright, so starting out, we're at the elevators and we're heading up to the second floor. And a few seconds later, here we are on the second floor and walking over to the registration check-in. To my right, you'll see a walking ring, and it's actually where horses are paraded before races. And walking through the doors, we'll have tables on either side for VIP and general admission. Just past this curtain on the left and right, that's where breakfast will be served. And this beautiful venue is the Sport of Kings Theater. And it's where the keynote sessions will be held. In here, you'll get to hear from industry leaders on the cutting edge of the drone industry. And now, let's head up to the dining area. As you can see, there are plenty of tables to eat and network at. Plus, it's a great view outside, and that's where we'll head to next. I don't know if you visited Florida in November, but the weather will be amazing. Just down the track, this is where you'll find our demo area, which is right here. This is where the drones will be taking off and landing. They'll have tents out here to keep you shaded as you're watching drone demos from some of the top manufacturers across public safety, agriculture, mapping, and more. Looking back at the building, the attendees will also be able to see the demos from the suites on the third floor. That's the floor where it says Gulfstream Park, and up there is where we'll head to next. Now on the third floor, we're heading over to the Flamingo room. This is where you'll find the vendor booths. You'll be able to get your questions answered from the top names in the drone industry, like ABZ Innovation, Inspired Flight, Botics, and more. And this one is the Presidential Suite. You'll also have an excellent view of the drone demos from the balconies. From here, you can see the drone demo area where we just were to the left. That's a quick preview of some of the areas you'll see at this year's ElevateUAV Summit. It'll be our biggest ElevateUAV ever, so we can't wait to see you there. We're just a few months away from this year's event, so make sure to mark your calendar November 17th and 18th. Get your tickets early in the link in the description to make sure you don't miss out on this great event. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.